Welcome to my channel. Let's do panty haul. Another video for panty haul again. Of course, I have new panties here, guys. Ayan. I really like the color, guys. White, and this is something like light pinks. Okay, white and light pink. I bought this one to from the mall, right? Okay. Anuhin muna natin tong isa. Tingnan muna natin because this is really cheap lang talaga. Very cheap siya, guys. Okay. This one first. Okay. So ito siya, guys. Ayan. Maganda siya. I really like the style. There is some cases, lipstick, and heart, as you can see. Ayan. Maganda siya talaga siya. I really like it, guys. And then, white pagod siya. Okay. Tanawa. Very nice one. And then tanggalin natin ang tag. This is only for, I think, this is for 39 pesos, guys. Ayan, 39 pesos only. So tas maganda pagod siya, tanawa. This is inside. Ayan, very nice. And then maganda siya. It's really clean and no garters also. I really like it. I really like this kind of panty. Ayan, so clean, right? So, yan. So, the next one is, ano kaya to? I don't know if it's this large or what. I think this is, large. This is large, guys. Okay. This is large. So, I think this is fit to me. Ayan. So, let's go to the second one. The second one have Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is a little star there. I like it. The color is light. I think this is light pink, guys. Yes, light pink. Okay. Yan. This is the second, ano, guys. Look. This one inside. And then good quality also, guys. Makita mo siya. No garter like the garters, no. It's just for the, ano lang siya. Maganda talaga yung kanyang, ano. Okay. This one is same, 39 pesos, guys. Okay, let's remove this. Yan. So, maganda siya, guys. I really like it. Like, let me say, yan. So, diba? Maganda siya. I really like this kind of cut also. Small cut here. But this one, I like also is a lower cut. Gusto ko yung yung maliit lang yung cut dito. And I'm very happy. Okay. Sige, suot na natin to siya, guys. Large also. No, this one is XL, guys. XLDI. This one is XL. The one is large. Okay, but I think same ano lang sila. Yeah. Okay. This one is large. This one is XL. Sala. Suot na natin to, guys. Let's go. Guys, ito na siya. I like this one. Ayan. As you can see, guys, very cute siya. It's a very cute. Ayan. And then, tama lang yung kanyang fittings, guys. I like it. Diba? I like it. And also dito sa harap, ganyan siya. Maganda siya, guys. Can you see? I like also the cut here. Diba? I really like it. Large pala to siya. I like also the quality. Very fit lang siya sa akin. The quality is nice. Ayan. Oh, diba? Very nice. Comfy also. Okay, ayan. So, let's proceed to the next one. Okay. So, guys, ito na nga yung kanyang. Ito yung light pink, guys. I like it. As you can see, ayan. It's very nice siya. Comfy, fit also. Maganda yung kanyang, ano, diba? I really like it. Tanawa good, guys. It's very nice. I like it so much. Basta maganda yung kanyang cut. And then, dito is comfortable siya. I can use this for everyday. Yes. I can use this as for everyday. Ano, lower cut siya. Ito high cut siya. Actually, gusto ko yung ganito pa. Like that. So, I like it, guys. I can wear this everyday because the toe is fit to me. Ayan. It's fit to me, guys. Ayan, so, diba? I like it. I like the, I really like, guys, the color and comfy siya, guys. So, ayan na. Don't forget to subscribe, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And comment below, guys, kung gusto nyo ang aking panty. Thank you for watching.